Kijk, waar is die perdjie? Waar is die perdjie? Daar is hy. Daar is hy. Baie mooi. Waar is hy nou? Daar is hy, baie mooi. Waar is hy nou? En waar is hy? Soek hom. Soek die perdjie, waar is hy? En daar is hy. Well done. Okay, play again. Play again. Nee, wacht los, well done. Say play again. Ons gaan weer speel. Hou nou op, hande klap. Hou op, hande klap. Say play again. Wys op papa, say play again. Hide and seek, daar sy. Hi. Daar sy. Daar sy. Waar is hy nou? Daar sy. Well done! Wat gaan jy nou doen? Play again! Wat gaan jy nou doen? Wil jy nou tel? Hierdie is moeilik. Hoeveel varkies is daar? Daar's een varkie. Nee, dit is te moeilik. Ons gaan hom later doen. Daar is hy. Daar is hy. Hier is die flippinasie alweer. Daar is 'n donkie. Waar is jou hasie? Daar is die hasie, daar is sy. Daar is sy. Ons gaan jou triek, want hierdie net nie koala nie. Dan. Go home. Gaan by home. Home in jou kom. Daar sy. Hierso is jou perdjies, hierso. Kyk jou perdjies, daar sy. Daar sy. Daar sy. Waar is Henry horse? Where's Henry horse? Now that's a tree. There you go! Well done! Where's Henry horse? Search for him. You found him. Just got to look at him. There you go. Well done, Chamonix. Well done! What do you want to do now? Play hide and seek again? Last time now, okay? Turn your chair a bit. There you go. No, you haven't looked at him properly. He's still up there. Where's the horse?
Sy probeer nou match.
There you go. There you go.
Ons moet seker maak sy verstaan die opdrag.
There you go. Well done.